is Maribeth Bangiles and welcome again to my class. So for today's lesson, I will be teaching you the difference between an algebraic expression and an algebraic equation. So let us find out the difference between the two. By that, I'll be giving you examples of algebraic expressions and algebraic equations. And then together, let us find out the difference between the two. Are you ready? Okay, here are our examples of algebraic expressions. We have 3x plus 2. We also have quantity 2 minus n plus 6. Another is 1/2 x plus 5. We also have 4x y raised to 2 plus 1. And lastly, it's m plus n minus 12. On the other hand, here are examples of algebraic equations. We have 3x plus 2 is equal to 11. Another, it's 2 minus n is equal to negative 6. Also, we have 1/2 x plus 5 is equal to x plus 1. Next, we have 4xy raised to 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. And lastly, we have m plus n is equal to 12. So, did you notice anything? Correct. On the algebraic equations from the word equal, the most common symbol that you would see on the equations is the equal sign. So, what is the difference between an algebraic expression and an algebraic equation? Algebraic expressions are mathematical phrases that are composed of group of terms separated by a plus or minus sign. While an algebraic equation is a mathematical sentence that shows equality between two expressions. So, in an algebraic expression, we can say that it is a mathematical phrase, while an algebraic equation is a mathematical sentence. Algebraic equation is one-sided, while algebraic equation is two-sided. Algebraic equations has no equality symbol, while algebraic equation has the equal sign symbol. So that's it. So when we say algebraic expressions, these are mathematical phrases composed of numbers and variables or terms separated by a plus or minus sign. And when we say algebraic equations, it has an equal sign symbol and it shows equality between the two expressions. That's why it is a mathematical sentence. So I have your examples of mathematical expressions and equations. Tell me if it is an expression or an equation. Are you ready? Good job! It is an algebraic expression. You are right! It is an algebraic equation. Good job, kids! I hope you have learned something today. See you on our next lesson. Bye!